Page 73, Burleske. This is the first one on the page. Here they're giving you a block chord accompaniment. We're going to harmonize to this, but they're not giving you the chords. We've got to figure out what they are. Oh, goody. Well, first again, let's get the melody down. It's got one sharp and it ends on a G. I'm guessing we're in G major. It's the key. All the F's are sharp. And 4/4 time, it has a pickup. Okay, we got 2 beats in that, so we're coming on beat 3. 3 and then 4. And then a 4 again. 4 again. We're just taking advantage of the repeated notes to change positions. That's fine. And then do it again. I typically, like in measure 3, I just out of instinct, I'll come and squish up and use a 4 immediately. But you can do a 2 and then a 4. Either fingering is okay. Just out of habit, I see what's coming and I just do that. That's how I do it. You do whatever, okay. Then I want to figure out what the harmony is going to use. Well, they're telling you up above, you're using the primary chords. We're in G major. We're going to use the 1 chord, the 4 chord in second inversion, and 5/7 chord. So those are our choices. We just need to figure out which one is going where. And that's based on the melody and the notes in the melody at the time. Now here you're playing a chord every other beat. So we're only dealing with half a measure at a time. Nothing, no in C at the beginning, nothing there. Now here. And so these, well, that looks like it's a 1 chord. And then here, that's 4 chord. Back to 1. And then here, well, that would be the 5/7 chord. So we're not necessarily playing the A in it, but it's still in the chord. So we're 1 chord. Here, and I do a 5/7 again because it's got an F sharp. We need an F sharp. 4 chord doesn't have an F sharp. That's how I would do the chords, based on what notes in the melody and how many of those notes are in the chord. That's what we go with. And then you test it. Does it sound okay? On the block, well, I just did that. You can play, if you're going to play a staccato on the right hand, you can go ahead and play a staccato on the left. Says Allegro, have fun. Okay. They want you to transpose this to F major. So we're going from G major down 1 note to F major. F major has 1 flat, and the chords are the primary chords. The 1, the 4, the 5/7. Now we're just doing that, and we're down here. And just in the music, I'm just mentally taking every note down 1 note. So if a G, it's an F. And you got to use the B flat. Different fingering because I like to play around. So I'm just taking all the notes down 1 note and then use these chords. Here. All I did was in the melody I went down one step to F, and then I'm playing the notes in F major. That tells me which block keys to use, and then I'm using the primary chord. Whatever. Okay.